Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. What is LeBron James's net worth? LeBron James is an American professional basketball player and entrepreneur who has a net worth of $700 million. After setting the high school basketball world on fire, LeBron James skipped college and was drafted as the #isang pick by his hometown team, the Cleveland Cavaliers, in the 2003 NBA draft. LeBron played for the Cavs from 2003 to 2010. He then took his talents to Miami, where he played for the Heat from 2010 to 2014. He led the Heat to 2 NBA championships, 2012 and 2013. He returned to the Cavs from 2014 to 2018, winning a championship in 2016. In 2018, he moved to the Los Angeles Lakers. He won a championship with LA in 2020. As of this writing, he is the third highest paid player in the NBA in terms of salary alone. His annual base salary is $46.9 million. On February 7, 2023, LeBron surpassed Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to become the NBA's all-time leading scorer. Outside of sports, LeBron is one of the highest-earning and globally powerful celebrities on the planet. He earns more than $60 minus $90 million per year in endorsements and has a $1 billion lifetime contract with Nike. He has parlayed his fame and wealth into a veritable business empire, with investments in a number of startups. He is a part owner of Liverpool FC, Boston Red Sox, New England Patriots, RFK Racing, AC Milan, and the Pittsburgh Penguins. At his current earnings and investment pace, LeBron James will become a billionaire in 2030. Key facts. First Nike contract paid $90 million over 7 years, turned down a larger contract with Reebok. Typically earns $100 dagdag million per year from endorsements. Earned $450 million from salary and endorsements in first decade in the NBA. Makes $45 dagdag million per year in base NBA salary. Has earned $800 million during his career so far from salary and endorsements. On pace to be a billionaire in 2035. Owns roughly $80 million worth of real estate. Annual income. Every year, LeBron James earns around $45 million in salary from the NBA and roughly $55 million from endorsements. That brings his total annual income to more than $100 million. Between June 2016 and 2017, LeBron earned $86 million. Between June 2017 and June 2018, LeBron earned $85.5 million. Between June 2018 and June 2019, he earned another roughly $85 million. From June 2021 to June 2022, his earnings skyrocketed to $121.2 million. LeBron's 2022 hanggang 2023 on-court salary plus endorsements brought his latest salary to $119.5 million. Career earnings. During his first 10 seasons in the NBA, LeBron James earned just over $126 million in salary alone. During that same time period, LeBron earned an estimated $326 million from endorsements. That's $452 million from his first decade as a professional. LeBron signed a 2-year, $85 million contract extension with the Lakers. In August 2022, he signed another 2-year deal with the Lakers, this time worth $99.02 million. By the time that contract is up in 2025, LeBron will have earned more than $530.8 million in NBA salaries. As of this writing, LeBron has earned slightly over $800 million from contracts and endorsements during his career, before taxes and expenses. Endorsement deals. LeBron has endorsement deals with dozens of companies, including McDonald's, Microsoft, State Farm, Beats by Dre, Coca-Cola, Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin-Robbins, Samsung, Nike, and more. In addition to endorsing Beats by Dre, LeBron also owned isang porsyento of the company. He earned royalty payments totaling $1 million during his years as a spokesman. When the company sold to Apple for $3 billion, LeBron's cut was $30 million. In 2011, James co-founded the designer retail store UNKNWN in Miami. Nike deal. LeBron signed his first Nike endorsement deal at the age of 18. The deal paid $90 million over 7 years, $12.8 million per year. He actually was offered $115 million to sign with Reebok. Today, LeBron earns $20 million per year from Nike in the form of salary and royalty payments for his signature shoe line. In December 2015, LeBron signed a lifetime endorsement deal with Nike that ultimately could be worth more than $1 billion. It is the very first lifetime deal Nike had ever offered and reportedly the largest deal in the company's history. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.